This is how I light my 1887 Buffalo Forge. Just get a bit of rag, light it like that. What's gone out? A bit of oily rag's good. I hold it up into the chimney to get the heat, bit of heat up there so it draws. Just warms the flue up a little bit. For some reason this rag isn't flammable at all. Just hold it up into the flue, get a bit of heat up there. You can use paper and cardboard too, but that stuff doesn't seem to burn like it used to. And then you switch on the air. If you put the coal on top of the fire, it just makes heaps of smoke. People use kindling and stuff, but you don't really need to. I'm using a mixture of Blacksmiths coal and just normal crappy coal, which is for fireplaces and that. Because the blacksmithing coal is really expensive. It's really good though, but it's makes way more heat and all that. But the normal coal is good for small work. It's fine. You can get it from the supermarket as well. In there, you don't need to split up wood, you don't need to use firelighter, just a little bit of rag.